Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. How to change text size on iPhone 15 Pro. So without wasting time, we will just find the iPhone settings. So just tap. After, you will just have to scroll down, and as you can see in the below journal is the option of accessibility. So just get in. After, as you can see in the vision folder is the display text size. So just tap. So as you can see, there's a second option is larger text. So we will just simple tap to turn it on. So app that spot a dynamic type will adjust to your preferred reading size below. So just tap. So now you will just have to, if you just have to push for the right side, so it will be just a big and larger text like this. So if you just have to again go back, so this will be the normal. So in this way you will just have to change the text size on iPhone 15 Pro. So that's it. Thank you.